Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos we have discussed about the color addition, right? Now over the years we have seen students does not have problem with color addition. The problem that they face is only in color subtraction. So in color subtraction, what is the concept? How the colors get subtracted? Why a green leaf appears black in red light? Why a red rose appears black in green light? All those questions that comes in the exam, students have doubt over the years that we have seen. Students have a problem in the color subtraction process only, and they often mix the color subtraction with color mixing. They are same, but what is the relation between color subtraction and color mixing? All those things we are going to study in the next 3 videos. So this video and more 2 videos will come after this. So you have to see the entire video, and I can guarantee your color subtraction, color mixing, and all those concepts will be clear. But you have to watch the video entirely and try to. I'll put some small pictures or small videos so that the concept becomes clearer, more clear to you. And you can also write small notes as I'm writing now. I'll give you time to take a screenshot so that you can write the notes in your rough copy. So basically, before the color subtraction, you have to know the basic knowledge that the primary colors are red, blue, and green. If you mix this red, blue, and green color, okay, the ultimate product that you get is a white color. If you mix red and blue, if you combine red and blue, what are you going to get? You are going to get magenta. If you mix blue and green, what you are going to get? Cyan. If you mix green and yellow, what you will get? Green and yellow. Oh, sorry, not green and yellow. Green and red. Then you will get yellow. So these three are called the secondary colors, which we have already discussed in the previous lecture. Now, as I will proceed, the basic knowledge that you need to understand is that a surface will reflect its own color or the components that it is made up of. A surface of a particular color will reflect that particular color or the components of the color. Now, basically, this definition which I have written right now is difficult for you to understand. But don't worry. As I will give you examples, slowly, you will understand what I mean to say. A surface of a particular color will reflect only that color or the components of that color. So basically, this part is little difficult, but I can't explain it to you right now. I can only explain you with certain examples, and then you will understand this definition. Okay? So to basically understand this color subtraction, we have to go through these 6 processes. The first process will be white light is getting incident on a primary color surface. Second process, the white light is getting incident on a secondary color surface. Third point, primary colors are incidented on a primary color surface. Fourth, secondary colors incident on a primary color surface. Fifth point, primary color incident on a secondary color surface. And sixth point, secondary color incident on secondary color surface. So you have to know This 6 processes is going to be a little long video, but I'll try to make it short. But the basic thing is that you need to understand these processes. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this. Now see this part, the first part. The white light is getting incident on a primary color surface. Now you can see the surfaces that I have are all primary colors, red, blue and green. And which light is coming? White light is coming. Now what will happen? What will happen after this? See, this white light, the first thing you have to understand is that this white light that I'm talking about is actually a combination of red, blue and green. This is also red, blue and green. Red, blue and green. So white light is a combination of red, blue and green. Now, in the first part, what will happen is that red, blue and green is coming towards the red surface. Now, as I said previously, a primary color surface will only reflect that particular color. So a red surface will only reflect the red color. So out of the red, blue and green, it will only reflect the red color and absorb the other two colors, blue and green. So which colors will get reflected? The red color will get reflected. And which color will get absorbed over here? The other two colors, which is the blue and green. Easy to understand. So red color reflects the red color surface reflects the red light. Similarly, like that, you think about this part. A white light is coming towards the blue color surface. This is a blue color surface. Now, a blue color surface will only reflect the blue light. Now, in the white light is a mixture of red, blue and green. So it will try to reflect the blue component. So blue surface will reflect the blue component. So what will get reflected? The blue color will get reflected. And now think, what is getting absorbed over here? The other two one. So other two one is what? Red and green. Red and green is getting absorbed. So which is getting only reflected? The blue one. Similarly, now you consider over here that this white surface will reflect which color? The green surface will reflect which color? The green surface will try to reflect only the green component of light. So it will only reflect the green component. So it reflects the green component, and what it absorbs? The other two components gets absorbed on the surface. So the red and the blue gets absorbed on the surface. So I hope you understood this part, that the surface only reflects that particular color. This red surface reflects the red color, blue surface reflects the blue color, green surface reflects the green color. Now we'll see the same thing, but the white light will be incident on a secondary color surface. Okay, secondary color surface. Then what will happen? Now over here, now the second thing, the white light is getting incident on a secondary color surface. Secondary means what? Magenta, cyan and yellow. These are my secondary colors. Now the white light is coming and getting incidented on a secondary color surface. Now what will happen? As I told you, the surface will reflect that color or the components of the color. Now magenta. What is magenta actually? Magenta is nothing but red plus blue. Cyan. Magenta is red plus blue. Now see, this white light is coming towards magenta. Means what? A red, blue and a green light is coming towards a red and a blue surface. Now, the surface will only reflect that colors. So the surface sees what? The surface sees I am red and blue. So it will only reflect the red and blue color. So it will only reflect the red color and it will reflect the blue color from the white light. So, and the red color and blue color from the white together, they combine and they form what color? Magenta color. And what about the green color? Green light? The green light is getting absorbed. So if a white light comes towards a secondary color, what can happen? So if a white light is coming towards a magenta, then what is getting reflected? Magenta is getting reflected. Magenta. And magenta means what? Magenta means red plus blue. And what is getting absorbed? The other color. The green color is getting absorbed. Okay. Now you think about this situation, that a white light is coming towards a cyan. Achha, what is cyan? Cyan is nothing but a combination of red and green. Now you think red, blue and green is coming towards a red and green. Cyan is blue and green. A red, blue and a green is coming towards blue and green. Then what will happen? The surface will only reflect that color or the components of the color. So the surface is I am cyan. So it will only reflect the cyan color. Means what? The surface is blue plus green. So that is why it will only reflect the blue and green part. So the blue part will get reflected, followed by the green part. And the blue and the green, when they combine, what color do you think they form? They form cyan color. They form cyan color. Okay, C represents the cyan color. So what is getting reflected? Cyan color is, so cyan color surface will reflect the cyan color. Means what? It will actually reflect the blue and the green color. And what color it is absorbing? It is absorbing this red color. So red color is getting absorbed in this situation. See, in this situation, what is happening? White light is coming towards the yellow color. Try to do it yourself. That is how you practice. You pause the video right now and try to figure out what will be reflected and what will be absorbed. And then you try to match with my answer, whether you are getting the correct answer or not. That is how you practice. So I will suggest you pause the video right now and complete this. What colors will get reflected and what colors is getting absorbed. Have you paused it? Okay. Now see what I am trying to do. Yellow is what? Yellow is nothing but red plus green. So the yellow color will only reflect the red and the green component of the white color. So the red component will get reflected and the green component will get reflected. And together red and green, what do you think, what color they form? They form the yellow color. Y represents yellow color. So which color is getting absorbed, which color is getting reflected? So yellow color is getting reflected, which is nothing but a combination of red and green. So I can say red and green I can say red and green is getting reflected, but red and green together, when they gets reflected and together they combine, they form the yellow color. So the yellow color is getting reflected, and what is getting absorbed? The blue color is getting absorbed. So I hope you understood this part, that which color, how the colors are getting absorbed and how the colors are getting reflected. Now the third point, projecting the primary colors on the primary color surface. I think you are getting confused by all these colors, but don't switch. Try to look at it part by part. So I'm projecting the primary colors on the primary color surface. For first instant, I have taken the surface to be red. I have taken my surfaces as red. And what I am projecting, or what I am incidenting, the primary colors. You can see the red color, secondly the blue color, and thirdly the green color. So the red color on the red surface, the blue color on the red surface, and the green color on the red surface. That is the first scenario. over here what will happen? See, red color will try to reflect that color only. Now for the red color surface, as red color is only coming, so it will reflect the red color. So what is getting reflected? R and A. R stands for what? R stands for reflect, A stands for absorb. So what is getting reflected? The red color is getting reflected. Red, okay? And what is getting absorbed? As red color coming and red color is getting reflected. So what is getting absorbed? Answer is nothing. So nothing is, so I'll write over here as, okay, nothing. Okay, nothing. So I can put a dash sign also so that you can understand. So what is getting absorbed? Nothing. Now look at the second situation. A blue color is coming on a red surface. As I told you, the surface will only reflect that color. So for the red surface, it always tries to reflect its original color, which is the red color. But since blue color is coming, red color is not available. So what will this red surface do? The red surface will do what? The red surface will absorb this blue color. So red surface will absorb. So what is which color? So what color is getting absorbed? The blue color is getting absorbed because the red color tries to only do what? Reflect the red color. Since red color is not available, so blue color is available. So it cannot reflect the blue color. So it will absorb that blue color. So a question comes. Then what is getting reflected? In this question, nothing is getting reflected. So when it reflects nothing, it actually appears black. So when it reflects nothing, it appears black. A BLSCK. So it is reflecting no color, so it appears black. Okay, I hope you don't get confused. So this writing nicely over here. So what is getting reflected? Black. Okay. So black. So it actually reflects nothing, and when it reflects nothing, it appears to be black in color. Now you see this scenario. For on the red surface, what is coming? Green color is coming. Since red surface will only reflect the red color, and over here is only green color is present. So what it does? The red surface cannot reflect the green color, so it will rather absorb the green color. So what is getting absorbed? The green color is getting absorbed. So what is getting reflected? So what is getting reflected? Nothing is getting reflected because whatever color is getting coming, that is getting absorbed. So nothing is getting reflected. So it appears to be black in color. When it reflects nothing, it appears black in color. Now I will tell you that you pause the video right now. And try to solve these 6 diagrams by yourself and see whether your answer and my answer is matching or not. That is how your concept about the color subtraction will become clearer and clearer. So you try to pause the video. Have you paused it? And try to solve this thing by yourself. Try to solve it by yourself. Okay, I'm doing it myself. Okay, so now you check your answer with my answer. Now in this, what will happen? On a blue surface, red color is coming. So obviously the blue surface will not going to reflect the red color. So it will absorb the red color. So it will absorb this red color. And if it absorbs the red color, which color it will reflect? Nothing. So if it reflects nothing, it will appear black. Over here, on a blue surface, blue color is coming. On a blue surface, blue color is coming. So what will happen? The blue color will only get reflected. So what is getting reflected over here? So what is getting reflected over here? The blue color is getting reflected. And what is getting absorbed? What is getting absorbed? Nothing. Answer is nothing. When it absorbs nothing, no, don't think it is black in color. It is absorbing nothing. It is absorbing nothing and it's reflecting the blue color. So this whole thing will appear, this surface will appear blue only. Over here the surface will appear black. Over here the surface will appear black. Over here this surface will appear red. So the red surface appears red. The red surface appears black. The red surface appears black. over here the blue surface appears black, over here the blue surface appears blue only, and over here what will happen? It will absorb the green color. So what is getting absorbed? What will get absorbed? The green color is getting absorbed. So therefore what is getting reflected? Think what is getting reflected. Nothing is getting reflected. So it appears black in color. So blue color is getting absorbed. As a result, nothing is getting reflected. So it reflects. So it appears black. Now over here, I think it is becoming clearer to you. Easy. Red on a green surface. Obviously, it will absorb that red color. Absorb, A for absorb, and it will reflect nothing. So it appears black. Over here, blue on a green surface. Again, it cannot reflect the blue color. So, the green surface will only reflect the green color. So it will absorb the blue color. So it absorbs. A stands for absorbs. It absorbs the which color? The blue color. And now it reflects which color? It reflects nothing. So it appears black. Okay. Now over here, on a green surface, green color is coming. On a green surface, green color is coming. So now it will reflect that green color. Okay, now it will reflect that green color. So what is getting reflected? The green. And what is getting absorbed? Nothing. It is absorbing nothing. So over here you can see this green surface will appear black because it's reflecting black, so it will appear black. This green surface will appear black because obviously it is reflecting nothing. So nothing means what? It appears black. Over here, this green surface will appear green only because it is reflecting the green color. So the surface appears the color. The surface appears in that color which it reflects. Over here it reflects the red color, so that is why it is red. Over here it reflects the blue color, that is why blue. Over here it reflects the green color, that is why green. In other 6 situations, these two, and these two. Okay, yeah, these two. Over here, these two, and these two. This will all appear black in color because it is reflecting which colors? It is reflecting nothing. So over here reflecting nothing, black. Over here and here reflecting nothing, black. Over here and here reflecting nothing, so black. So I hope you understood the third concept of this part. Now over here we are projecting the primary colors. See, red, blue and green, red, blue and green, red, blue and green. We are projecting the primary colors only, but on a secondary color surface. Now in the previous video, these were red, blue, green. But now the surfaces are secondary color. Now this surface is magenta, this surface is magenta on a magenta. So on a magenta surface, red color is incidenting. On a magenta surface, blue color is incidenting. On a magenta surface, green color is incidenting. So you can see what I'm trying to say. On a secondary surface color, you are incidenting primary colors, red, blue and green. Similarly over here, you can see cyan. So the surface, it is cyan in color. And what colors I am incidenting? Red, blue and green. Okay. Over here also, you can see the surface, it is yellow, and this is also yellow in color. So the surfaces are yellow in color. And what colors I am incidenting? The red color, the blue color and the green color. So I hope you understood the basic thing. Now what is going to happen, that we have to discuss. See, magenta. What is magenta? Magenta means nothing but a combination of red and blue. So this is nothing but a combination of red and blue. Magenta means combination of red and blue. Magenta means combination of red and blue. Now, what will happen over here? You try to figure out. See, in the first figure, red color is coming towards the magenta surface. Now, magenta is nothing but what? Combination of red and blue. So, the surface is that I have a red color within me. I have a red color within me. Magenta has a combination of red and blue, means what? Red is also a component. So this surface is made up of a 50% say red color, and red color is also coming. So the surface, what will do? The surface will reflect the red color, because the surface has red color, so that is why it reflected the red color. So what is, so R and A, so what is getting reflected? Red color is getting reflected. And what is getting absorbed? Answer is what? Tell me. The nothing is getting absorbed. So over here, absorb means nothing. I'll put a dash sign. Think over here. Okay. On a magenta surface, now blue color is coming. Now magenta says that I have red as well as blue. So I can reflect, the magenta surface can reflect the red or the blue. Okay. The magenta surface can reflect red as well as blue. Now blue is coming. So magenta says, okay, blue is a part of mine, so I can reflect this blue color. So it will reflect the blue color. So R stands for reflect. So which color is getting reflected? The answer is what? The blue color is getting reflected. And if blue color is getting reflected, what is getting absorbed? Nothing gets absorbed. Now over here, try to figure out. The surface is of magenta, means what? Red and blue. So it can reflect the red or the blue. But right now, what is coming? Green is coming. So if green comes, this surface will able to reflect the green color. Answer is no. The surface won't be able to reflect the green color. Rather, it will absorb. So the green color. So what color get absorbed? A stands for absorb. What color get absorbed? The green color get absorbed. Then what gets reflected? Answer is nothing gets reflected. And when nothing gets reflected, this surface appears what in color? The surface appears black in color. Okay, the surface appears black in color. Now you try to do the other six figures by yourself only. Okay, I'm just giving you cyan. What is cyan? Cyan means a combination of blue and green. Cyan means combination of blue and green. Cyan means a combination of blue and green. Now you try to do these six parts by yourself, and you have to match it with my answer, whether your answer and my answer are correct or not. That is how you improve. That is how you learn the color subtraction thing. So you try to pause the video right now. Okay, pause the video and try to do the sum by yourself. Okay, now you match with my answer. Now, see. Red color is coming, red color light is coming on a cyan surface. Cyan is what? Cyan is nothing but blue plus green. So this cyan surface can reflect either the blue or the green. So cyan surface will reflect blue or else green. So that is what I told you. The particular color reflects its own color or the components of the color. Now this particular color cyan will reflect the cyan color, or actually means it reflects the blue and green combined. Now red color is coming. Red color is coming. But what will happen? It can only reflect blue and green. So it will absorb the red color. So what gets absorbed? The red color get absorbed. If red color get absorbed, then what gets reflected? Nothing gets reflected. So I can say nothing. Over here, blue color is coming towards the cyan surface. So cyan says I can reflect blue as well as green. So okay, blue is coming. No problem. I will reflect this blue color. So blue color gets reflected over here. So blue color gets reflected. The blue color gets reflected. And what get absorbed? Nothing gets absorbed. All the blue color coming, all the blue color got reflected. So nothing get absorbed. Over here, again, the green color is coming toward the cyan surface. The cyan surface says I can reflect the blue as well as green. So since green is coming, I can reflect this green color. I can reflect the green color. So what will get reflected? The green color gets reflected. So what get absorbed? Tell me. nothing gets absorbed. Okay, so nothing gets absorbed. So over here, this over here on a cyan surface, if red color comes, it will absorb the red color and reflect nothing. So this surface will appear black in color. Over here on a cyan surface, if a blue light is incidented, so it reflects the blue color. So this cyan surface will appear blue to us. So this cyan surface will appear blue to us. Similarly over here on a green surface, sorry, on the cyan surface, if green color is incidented, so it reflects the green color. So the surface from the cyan, it changes to green appearance. Now try to do this thing by yourself also. What is yellow? Yellow is a combination of red and green. Yellow is a combination of red and green. Yellow is a combination of red and green. Now think what will happen over here. Red color is coming on a yellow surface. Now yellow says I can reflect the red as well as green. I can reflect red color as well as green color. So since red color is coming, it will reflect that red color. So what is getting reflected? The red color is getting reflected. And what is getting absorbed over here? Answer is nothing is getting absorbed. Now over here, blue color is coming towards the yellow surface. Now yellow means what? It can reflect red or green. But as of now, only blue is coming. So the yellow surface says, since I can reflect only red and green, but I am not allowed to reflect the blue color, so it will rather absorb the blue color. So it will absorb this blue color. And what is getting reflected? Reflected. What is getting reflected? Nothing. And when nothing gets reflected, the body appears black in color. So the body will appear black in color. And over here, think on a yellow surface, that is, what is color is getting reflected? Green. So yellow can say, I can reflect red as well as green. Okay, green is coming. No problem. I will reflect this green color. So green color will get reflected. So as a result, what will happen? So the body will reflect which color? The body will reflect the green color, and it will absorb what? Absorb nothing. So this body will appear green in color. So over here, the body appears red in color. Over here, the body appears blue in color. And over here, it will appear black. Now over here, this body will appear, it will reflect, it will appear black in color. It will appear black in color. So let me write, it will reflect nothing. So it will appear black. Over here, it will appear blue in color. Over here, it will appear green in color. Over here, it will appear red. Over here, it will appear black. And over here, it will appear green. So I hope you understood this 9 diagrams related to topic primary colors incident on a secondary color surface. Okay.